Hey, what's up, guys? Here's an update on cars. Picked up an Integra. Here we are prepping the bumper and the fender. We're gonna paint it off. You guys can see the car. It's over there, all in pieces. Yeah, just a little side project. You know, get some funds for the main project. You know, gotta make some money somehow. So this is what we're doing right now. Yeah.
How you doing, baby? So yeah, a little follow-up to what my cousin said. Sorry for the wind noise because I'm recording on my phone. I don't have my camera gear. But yeah, this video is an update. As you guys can see, he's still working on those bumper and the front fender, which, like he said, is for that Integra that's over there. That is a side project. So we're gonna paint them today to get that to be color matched to that Integra. And as you guys also see behind me, the TSX is also getting some cosmetic work. You guys seen videos of me talking shit about my paint job. So well, not we, but I decided to take a different approach to that. It is being rattle can, and if you guys are on Instagram, you guys are gonna see a video where I am painting it, and I'll show you guys the color and everything that the bumper is getting painted, or what color it's getting painted. Color is this Rust-Oleum satin midnight blue. You guys saw in the video that what I said, it's kind of like an F1 Honda inspired color. But yeah, this is pretty much the color. We did spray it today as well. It does have imperfections. The nozzle gave us issues where it was clogging, so it kind of fucked it up. But for the most part, we are going to wet sand, and I do have a satin clear here that I picked up as well. But like I said, the goal, at least I'll give you guys a backstory to why I'm doing it this way. That car, I paid, and I'll be honest with you guys, I paid $2,000 to get that car sprayed, and I got screwed. But since that is my track car, my thing is I don't want to waste a lot of money on the paint. I'd rather put that money into some upgrades that are going to benefit the car. So this was the original plan that was going to go into place with this car, but I decided, since I had the funds and I was able to do it, I had a friend that was going to do it for me, that was the result. So we're going to go this route. For now, I'm only painting the bumper. I do have the lip already painted. The lip came out okay. But I'm going to try the front end and see how it looks. And if I like it, then I'm gonna keep going with the whole car. So, but I'm probably gonna do it in pieces: bumper, fenders, and then we'll go from there. It's Modelo time. But yeah, like another update. I've said it before. We do have a lot of parts going on this car already. We are gonna re-clear the headlights. And also just kind of not a sneak peek for you guys, but kind of like a heads up. I am gonna go be doing a little bit of a wide body custom fenders. Gonna be bringing them out. I'm gonna be doing all the work myself. So these fenders got brought down all the way to metal and primered for now. And the same process is gonna happen to the whole car. It's gonna get sanded all the way back down to metal and start from scratch. This thing has like maybe like 7 or 8 coats of paint, which it shouldn't have that many coats. But we do have new wheels, so stay posted for that. We got our fender braces in already from Jace Racing. We got upper control arms from Jace Racing, and a lot more suspension upgrades from Jace Racing. So I'm pretty excited about that, and hopefully in October 10th or sooner, we're going to be having a track day. So stay posted for that. But yeah, we got progress coming. It's just an update video because we do have these little side things going on right now. As you guys can see, Jesse's trying to get these funds for this car. Well, funds from this car for the other projects. You guys just saw the EP3 chilling out there. You guys have seen the FD Civic. So yeah, guys, stay posted. We got some good updates coming.
Stay tuned.